What innovation is introduced by AMF in the tunnel oven business?
Fast forward 2 years into our Denbourg baking business, we have achieved great results. The first one is, it now takes us 3 weeks to install and commission an oven at our customer site. We achieved this via modularity and of course continuous improvement on our processes. But we wanted more. If you consider that in an industrial bakery, the oven is the machine which consumes most of the resources and it creates also most of the emissions for pollution, we wanted to be a game changer in that arena. Therefore, we started to think, hey, how can we use hydrogen or any other alternative fuel to help our customers having a lower footprint and a more sustainable production? Therefore, we came up, after months of studies, with a solution about having hydrogen fuel running on our ovens rather than natural gas or electricity.